The Crude Life with host Jason Spees.
My name is Jason Spees, and this is the Crude Life Daily Update. On today's program, we talk with Josh Swanson, attorney for Vogel Law, comments on the Wilkinson Lake Sakakawea court case that is impacting oil and gas mineral ownership. In just a moment, part of our exclusive interview with Josh Swanson from Vogel Law, right here on the Crude Life Daily Update.
My clients are absolutely wonderful people. They're salt of the earth. They have North Dakota values. Family means everything to them, as it does for a lot of us. And to your point, just imagine the stress on anybody where you've got to hire a lawyer to fight the state of North Dakota, where the state has almost unlimited resources. The state's not worried about having to pay a private lawyer to handle this case, which a private person, like any of your listeners, you would have to hire a private attorney and pay them to take on the state, which is a pretty big undertaking to fight an entity like whether it's the state government or a federal government, where they're not worried about the number of hours being put into it, right? Private folks don't have that same luxury, and this litigation for them has been ongoing since 2012. So you talk about some of the landmark United States Supreme Court cases. I mean, pick any U.S. Supreme Court marquee case that comes to mind. Without getting too political, just, Roe v. Wade, the Citizens United case, the Kello takings case. You could pick any big U.S. Supreme Court case, and it doesn't take half that time for it to reach resolution. And here my clients have been put through the ringer where the folks making the decisions on behalf of the land board and state of North Dakota have really, to be quite frank, abused them. They've abused the process. They put my clients through a living hell where for the last 7 to 8 years, my clients have fought for property that's been in their family for the last 60 years. So not only are they not getting paid for these minerals that belong to their ancestors, their grandparents and great-grandparents, they're having to pay a private lawyer to fight the state of North Dakota to claim something that's been in their family since prior to World War II. And if that sounds like the damned dumbest thing you've ever heard, is it because it is?
And that was Josh Swanson with Vogel Law Firm. To listen to the entire interview or to check out other exclusive interviews, visit thecrudelife.com. That's thecrudelife.com. The Crude Life Daily Update has a social media audience of over 350,000. Check out our network at thecrudelife.com. Click on the social media tab. From the staff here at the Crude Life Daily Update, my name is Jason Spees, asking you to always remember, energy is more than an industry, it's a way of life.
Historic. The first full conversion refinery to be built in the U.S. in over 40 years. Innovative. The cleanest, most technologically advanced downstream project ever. The model for future shale basin projects. Groundbreaking. With construction resuming in early 2019. The Davis Refinery.